Welcome to the math record. This video will cover the second part of the ICTM State 2017 Division AA Algebra 1, which I'll be answering questions 19 and questions 20. Okay, question 19. Abby can finish a job in 12 days if Xavier helps her for 7 of those days. Xavier can finish the same job in 14 days if Abby helps him for 7 of those days. Determine the number of days it would take Abby to finish the same job working alone. Okay, so let's say E is Evie's rate and X is Xavier's rate. So that means 12 times Evie's rate plus 7 times Xavier's rate. That should be the total time to finish the job. And that is also equal to Xavier, which takes 14 days, plus Evie, that helps him with 7 of those days. Because they finish the same job, so basically these are equal to each other. So from here, that means 7x is equal to 5e. That means since we want to find Evie, then we have to put Xavier in terms of Evie, so that's 5e over 7. So then if we want to find Evie's time to finish, basically, we just need to substitute in one of these equations. So let's just choose this one. So I'm going to substitute my 5e over 7 for my x. So 5e over 7 times 7 is 5e. And then plus the 12e, that is 17e. So this is going to be the time times her rate to finish the job. That means the time it takes would be 17. And that's your answer for number 19. And that's all you have to do. Okay, question 20. Let k equals 5 plus 11 times 3 minus 7 plus 6 squared. One pair of parentheses is inserted and the value of this new expression is 49. Then the 7 is changed to 8 in the second expression to form a third expression which has value w. Determine the value of the absolute value of w minus k. Okay, so basically let's just find k first. So 5 plus 33 minus 7 plus 36. So that's going to be negative 2 for this one, makes 31, which means this is 67. Okay, so k is 67. So when we add the parentheses, it's changed to 49. So that tells me that somehow this number has to become negative. So what we could do, 5 plus 11 times 3 minus 7 plus 6 squared. So for this number, which is 67, to get even lower to 49, that means this negative 7, which is the only way to lower any number, since everything else is positive, we need to combine it somewhere. So either we can't put it like right here, because using the same process, it'll be at multiplying by 33 minus 7. So basically, this will be the exact same values to 67. So that means we have to put something like either right here, or we put it right here. So it's one of those, and we just need to choose which one. So let's say this one. So 3 minus 7 is negative 4. Negative 4 times 11 is 40. Negative 44. 5 plus 36. So this is going to be 41 negative 3. So that doesn't work. Okay, now let's put it with the 6 actually. So that's negative 4 plus the 6, which is 2. And then 2 squared is 4, so 11 times 4, which is 44, plus 5 is 49. Okay, so now we know where the parentheses is, using process of elimination and some logic. And now they changed the 7 to an 8, so it's going to be 5 plus 11 times 3 minus 8 plus 6 squared. So this is going to be negative 5 plus the 6, which is 1. 1 squared is 1 times 11, which is 11, plus the 5 is 16. So that means which your W is 16. So W minus 67 is negative 51. And then we take the absolute value of it, so that's 51. And that's your answer for number 20. So all you had to do is just use a little bit of logic. Well, thanks for watching, and I'll see you at the next math record.